Welcome to the installation video for the Premier Closet Mirror from Sidelines by Rev-A-Shelf. Before we begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a level, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a Premier mirror, 4 wood screws, and 4 Euro screws. Turn the mirror over. Pull the frame mechanism out and swivel until it is perpendicular. If your mirror lines up with the existing system holes in your partition, you can attach using the 4 Euro screws. There is no need to pre-drill. To work around the system holes or install on a flat surface, have someone hold the mirror to gauge the placement. Ensure it is level and mark 4 holes through the frame with your pencil. Pre-drill the holes using your 3/32 inch bit. Align the frame over the pre-drilled holes and secure using the 4 wood screws. Remove the protective sheet. We just installed a left opening mirror. To have your mirror installed as a right opening, simply flip the mirror over and install on the other side of the partition using the same process. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.